Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're covering 7 things to do if Google Maps is not working and showing you quick ways to fix it. We'll walk through easy solutions step by step so you can get maps running smoothly again. Let's get started. Number 1. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone clears temporary glitches that can cause Google Maps to stop working properly. It's a simple but effective fix. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons until the power menu appears. Step 2. Tap restart, then tap restart again to confirm. Your phone will automatically reboot. Step 3. Once it's back on, open the quick menu by swiping down from the top, turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data, then turn it back on. Step 4. Go back to the home screen, open Google Maps and check if it's working. Number 2. Enable location services. Location services are essential for Google Maps to accurately track your position and provide directions. Without them, the app won't function properly. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Settings app by swiping up from the home screen to access the app drawer, then tap the Settings icon. Step 2. Scroll down and select Location from the list of available options. Step 3. Tap the switch at the top right corner to turn location services on. Step 4. Go back to the home screen, open Google Maps and it should now work properly. Number 3. Clear Google Maps cache and data. Clearing cache and data removes temporary glitches and corrupted files that may prevent Google Maps from working correctly. This step often restores smooth performance and fixes unexpected errors. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications to view the full list of installed apps. Step 3. Use the search bar to find Google Maps, then tap on it to open its app info page. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Storage to access storage management options. Step 5. Tap Clear Cache first, then tap Clear Data and confirm to remove all stored files. Step 6. Return to your home screen, open Google Maps, sign back into your account and it should now work smoothly. Number 4. Download offline maps. Downloading offline maps ensures you can navigate without an internet connection, preventing interruptions when Google Maps isn't working. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open Google Maps on your device while connected to the internet to access the latest map data. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Offline Maps from the menu to access offline download options. Step 4. Tap on Select your own map to choose the area you want to save. Step 5. Adjust the area by pinching in or out, ensuring the region you need fits on the screen. Step 6. Tap on Download at the bottom right to begin saving the selected map region. Step 7. Wait until the download is complete before disconnecting from the internet. Step 8. Once offline, open Google Maps and navigate within the downloaded area to view details and get directions. Number 5. Disable Battery Saver mode. Disabling Battery Saver ensures Google Maps runs smoothly without restrictions on background activity or location access. This step helps prevent app slowdowns or connectivity issues. Let's do it. Step 1. Open the Settings app again. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Device Care to manage your battery settings. Step 3. Tap on Battery to see detailed battery options and features. Step 4. Tap the Power Saving option to view battery saver settings. Step 5. Toggle the switch off at the top of the screen to disable battery saver mode. Step 6. Return to the home screen and open Google Maps to check if it works properly. Number 6, reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can fix connectivity issues causing Google Maps to malfunction. It ensures Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth work properly. Let's do it. Step 1, open the Settings app on your device to access system configurations. Step 2, scroll down and tap on General Management to access reset options. Step 3, scroll further and tap on Reset to view all reset settings. Step 4, tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings, then tap Reset Settings again to confirm. Step 5, confirm the reset to complete the process and restore default network settings. Step 6, go back to the reset menu, open the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth menu and follow instructions to reset them. Step 7, reconnect to your Wi-Fi on your phone, then open Google Maps to check that it now works properly. Number 7, reinstall Google Maps app. Reinstalling Google Maps ensures you have the latest version and fixes corrupted files that may cause app issues. This step can restore full functionality quickly. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1, open the Google Play Store app. Use the search bar to type Google Maps and select the correct result to open it. Step 2, tap the uninstall button and confirm to remove the app from your device. Step 3, after uninstalling, tap the update button and wait for the app to download and update completely. Step 4, once it's done, open Google Maps, log into your account and start using it without issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.